Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin just over the last 10 years. Bitcoin has skyrocketed. This has never happened before in the history of cryptocurrency, any stock. This is amazing. Let's take a look. And for those of you who clicked on the video, you may know where I'm going with this. So let's take a look at May 2010. One Bitcoin was worth 1 penny. So let's say someone smart who knew the future of cryptocurrency invested just $100. That's 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, one Bitcoin is worth $57,000. So if he held on to that $100 investment and didn't sell it over the years, he would now have $570 million. So probably like you, over the years, I have heard of Bitcoin and people investing. It was foreign to me. I didn't get it. Luckily, I do now. Okay, let's take a look at 1 year later. So it goes from 1 penny to $1 in less than 1 year. Then 2 years later, it's at $350. Then something happens around 2017. By December of 2017, it's at $19,000. Then it starts to plummet. I remember these numbers actually, and I was thinking it's still too late to get in because it's plummeted. That's it for Bitcoin. It's never going to get higher than $5,000 again. That's what I was thinking. Let's take a look. So in the last year, something drastic has happened. See the numbers there? And as of right now, one Bitcoin is worth $57,000, like I said. And if you are thinking, what does this mean for you? Why should you care? How can you get in on this? You can't buy one Bitcoin for $57,000. Most of us can't. But I use Robinhood. So Robinhood, correct me if I'm wrong, is one of the only apps that allows you to buy partial shares. I buy partial shares of a lot of very expensive stocks. Just an example. So if you were late on Amazon and you weren't able to get in under $1,000, Amazon right now, one share is around $3,300, I do believe. So I bought a partial share. You can put in as much money as you want. And as the stock grows, whatever money you put into that stock grows as well. It doesn't matter. And I think I have about $900 invested in Amazon. And for Bitcoin, I have around 2,000. So Bitcoin is estimated to reach $100,000 in 2021. And I believe it. So let's say, for instance, my $2,000 invested, let's say Bitcoin doubles. Well, my money's going to double, so that's how it's going to work. I love Robinhood being able to buy partial shares. So anyways, believe it or not, this video was not necessarily about Bitcoin. Let me show you guys the next obsession and the next huge moneymaker. Okay, so now Dogecoin is a big obsession. Right now, one Dogecoin is 5 cents, 5.5 cents right now. So when I bought Dogecoin, I bought it in the 2s and I sold it when it reached 8. Do you guys remember the record 8? So now I don't have any and I'm waiting for it to go back down. So at 5.5 cents, I don't think I would buy unless I started seeing it skyrocket like Bitcoin did. But just remember, right now Doge is 5 cents, but at one time Bitcoin was a penny, and now it's $57,000. So it's up to you. You guys do what you want to do. This is a lot of fun for a lot of people. And the only thing that I would say is don't be in the dark. If you don't know what this is, do your research and never, even though I'm not a financial advisor, I don't feel like I should have to say this, but never invest any more money than you would be able to afford to lose. So that's what I did. If I lost all the money that I invested in Dogecoin, I would not notice it. It would not affect my life in any way. So that's what you should do. That's the only advice I would have. But also educate yourself and do some research because this could be maybe like a once in a lifetime chance for you to make a lot of money, investing. It's really, really fun. It's my new passion. I live, eat, drink, and sleep stocks and cryptocurrency. I love it. It's just my thing. Who would have thought after all this time I knew nothing about it? Now I'm actually investing in all kinds of, stocks and cryptocurrencies. At one point it was foreign to me, but now I just love it. Anyways, let me show you guys how to buy Dogecoin and also how to buy partial stocks. Okay, I'm on my Robinhood account. I'm going to show you guys how to buy Dogecoin, how to buy partial shares of stock, both really easy. So as you guys can see, I've been using Robinhood since March 2020, last year. Very user friendly. My very first day, I knew my way around. I was buying stocks, selling stocks, transferring money to my bank account back and forth, all really, really easy. So let me show you. Okay, so on the Robinhood app, you're going to go down to the middle there, the little search magnifying glass, and you can search whatever company you want where it says search companies, but I know exactly where to find Doge. So I'm going to go to altcoin. I'm going to go to Doge. And when I bought Doge, I bought in the 2s and I sold in the 8s. Right now it's at 5. That's too high for me to buy. I'm waiting for it to at least go back to the 3s. But I'm going to show you how to buy. Go to buy. Then how much Doge do I want? Maybe 1,000? Because right now it's at 5 cents, right? So if I buy 1,000 Doge, it's going to be about $55. So maybe I will buy 2,500. How much is that? 2,500 Doge is $136. Then you're going to go to review your order and to swipe up to complete the order, but I do not want to buy Doge at 5 cents. That's too high. So now I'm going to show you guys how to purchase a partial share of a stock. Now I'm going to show you guys how to buy a partial share. So you don't have to buy the whole share. I know this is so convenient for me. I don't know why a lot of people don't like Robinhood. I've been doing this for 1 year now, almost a year, never given me one problem. I buy, when I profit, I want to transfer the money to my bank. The transfers are easy. I'm going to show you my history. I'll show you how much I've been transferring. Anyway, let's buy a partial stock. What are the 100 most popular stocks? Let's go for Amazon. Trade. Buy. I only have $190 available for buying. Everything else is invested. So I'm going to say I just want to buy $177. Let me review that. It tells you here before you swipe up and confirm. So you are buying $177 of Amazon. And it tells you right here what your share is. So there's that. But I don't want to buy, I just want to show you guys. So very, very simple. So I showed you guys how to buy Doge. I showed you guys how to buy partial shares on Robinhood. Like I said, it's never given me one issue. Transfers go really, really easy, straight to my bank account, from my bank account to Robinhood. Actually, when you want to transfer money, let's say I profited a lot from Doge, so I made so many transfers. One transfer was like almost $1,000. One was $700, and it pretty much gets to your bank account in 2 days. But if you're taking money and you're transferring to Robinhood, it takes 5 days to clear. So yeah.